Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Anagram Program in Python for HackerRank. Introduction. Anagrams are words or phrases formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. In this tutorial, we will create a Python program to determine if two strings are anagrams. We will use this program to solve a common HackerRank problem. Problem statement. Given two strings, determine if they are anagrams. If the strings are anagrams, the program should return true, otherwise, it should return false. Explanation. The r_anagrams function takes two strings as input and returns true if they are anagrams, and false otherwise. Spaces are removed from the input strings, and all characters are converted to lowercase to ensure case-insensitive comparison. The lengths of the strings are checked, and if they are not equal, the strings cannot be anagrams. Dictionaries frequency 1 and frequency 2 are used to store the frequency of each character in the respective strings. The frequencies are updated for each character in both strings. Finally, the function returns true if the dictionaries are equal, indicating that the strings